Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Peugeot 308 GT hatch, stock reference number 4508. This shape runs from the 10th month 2014 and is the current shape. It has a DW10FC 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. DW10FC 2-litre 4-cylinder diesel turbo diesel engine with a left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. Bonnet appears to have no damage. This vehicle's fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, park sensor type. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has two small dents and a light fold. Right power door mirror. Driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather and suede interior. Black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.